I'm Alina.
I'm Sarah.
And we host the Are We Still Friends podcast. But every now and then, we
do
like to
other
have a
things.
little fun with other things.
Because the podcast is business.
It's business.
We
and
don't talk any fun.
This is pleasure.
Well, math is the least pleasurable thing I've ever done.
So you do know what we're doing.
Well, I have a marker and I have a board.
Yeah, but
So
it
those
could be
things-
words.
Okay, it's not spelling.
Okay, no, it is a math quiz. Alex has carefully prepared math questions.
So scared.
And they're not just 2 + 2.
Oh.
They are word math questions.
I specifically said no word questions.
And we are in a competition.
Now in a competition?
You always want to be in competition whenever we do these videos.
That's only when I'm good at stuff.
So?
If I'm bad at things, no competition.
Oh,
Friendly
'cause
fire.
You're not good at math.
Exactly. Of course you're good at math. Are you good at math?
I mean, I added like a couple
Do you know how to
hundred.
divide?
Yeah.
Well, I can't divide. I can't long divide. Do you have any long division?
We got math of all types on here.
Ooh, math of all types.
We can start in middle school if you guys want, and we can move up to
Can
high
we start
school.
elementary?
We can start elementary, actually. if
Thank
you
God.
want.
Okay.
No, we're
let's just go wherever
We're some
he's
middle, yeah.
wherever he's prepared.
I mean, I prepared all ages because
the
I
issue
didn't.
is
I was
I
worried
haven't
about
prepared.
Where we would fall.
I didn't know if I was gonna give high school. You would just be like, okay, we can't get any of it, so we're gonna
Oh
go
yeah,
elementary.
she probably has been
middle.
studying too.
How
Can you
could she
study for?
You think she's just doing math problems? in
Yeah,
her free
I
time?
do. She had a lot of timelines earlier.
I am ready to go for question number 1.
Okay.
Do we get to see the question?
No, I read it to you.
My
You gotta use your ears.
Yeah, you're gonna have to listen.
Sarah is so nervous.
I got. Yeah.
Okay. Cynthia.
I'm nervous.
Cynthia collects 22 tickets. Cynthia's father gives Cynthia 72 more. Lois has 17 pencils. How many tickets does Cynthia have?
94.
My 4.
Correct.
Wait, is there no buzzer?
No, but we should have a buzzer. We should do some kind of buzzing.
Last time we did buzzes,
There
there was some contention.
There was a
So
lot
if
of
we
contention.
both get that, we both get a point for that. We literally got it at the same
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Okay, so far 1-1.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay, that's not a math question. That's just the score.
She's like, 1? What? Oh,
Got
okay.
it. Got it too.
If Samuel flies a plane
Oh Jesus.
36 miles
Oh my
on a
God.
cold Thursday in February.
36 miles.
Yep, that is correct.
Boom.
No. He flew 36 miles. It's not. It's not the answer.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I thought it was a trick question.
No, I'm gonna start again for you.
Okay, start again.
If Samuel flew a plane 36 miles
Okay.
on a cold Thursday in February
Okay.
at 16 miles per hour,
Okay.
how long was Samuel traveling?
Oh my God, what the
2
hell?
hours, 20 minutes?
You're close.
I don't even know where I'm supposed to
You're
get that
close.
answer. Like, are we dividing? Are
You're
we
close.
subtracting?
Alina, you're close. You check your math. What? Sorry. What's the
math we
number
should
you
be
got
doing?
there, Alina? You got
2
2 point.
hours.
You got
20 minutes.
2.2 though. Is it?
Oh, is it 2 hours, 15 minutes? Yeah?
Okay, but what math did you do? What math equation was that put in place?
So he flew 36
I know the
mi-
first two numbers. What was the
Let me explain it.
Oh, okay.
He flew 36 miles.
Okay.
And he was doing it at a rate of 16 miles per hour.
So 16 to 36?
So yes, so 16 is 1 hour. Another 16 is 2 hours. That makes 32.
And then
And then
plus
40.
4
Yeah,
minus 6. You go subtract 2. Eventually you get there.
you'll get it. You'll get it.
Okay, I'm ready. But let's make it not a word problem.
They're all word problems.
We're not just gonna do 2 + 2 on camera.
What the hell? Not one, just regular old addition and subtraction.
I mean, I can focus on addition and subtraction, but they're gonna be word problems.
God, word problems are my least favorite.
We're still in middle school.
Oh,
We're still in middle school.
are any of these trick?
Not
When
that.
it's Alex,
Not that I'm
they're
playing.
all
I know.
tricks.
I added some extra factors that don't matter, but that doesn't necessarily make it a trick
Yeah, like the
question.
pencils.
Yeah, like
Yes.
the pencils. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
There are 90 blocks in a box.
Okay.
Steven has 12 blocks in a bag. Kenneth takes 41 blocks out of the box.
Wait.
How many blocks are left in the box?
Well, what's happening
Wait, I
to with
need
the
the numbers
12? Wait, I'm confused. What does the 12 have to do with anything?
There are
Hold on.
90 blocks in a box. Steven has 12 blocks in a bag. Kenneth takes 41 blocks out of the box.
How do you do 0 subtract 1?
How many blocks are left in the box?
I have to do subtraction.
49?
back.
Correct.
I was trying to do addition and then subtraction.
I don't know why you would have added.
Well, There was no addition, really. It was all subtraction. But I was about to get there. I was just, I was going backwards to start.
If I'm being honest, I couldn't subtract 90 from 41.
That's
I had
what
to do it
I
in my
was-
math. I had to go 40 plus 40
That's what I was trying to do.
plus 9.
Because zero, I couldn't subtract 0 from 1.
I couldn't do
That's
regular
where I really
subtraction on a paper.
Yeah. I got stumped.
How do you take 0
From
from
1?
You don't at all.
Exactly.
Carry it over and you add a decimal.
I don't remember the carrying. No one's carried anything over here.
Yeah, except for a baby.
Yes. And I didn't have to add or subtract.
Norma collects 29 tickets.
Ah,
Norma's father gives Norma 53 more. Eugene has 7 marbles. Norma steals Eugene's marbles and puts it down her pocket. Norma's weight is fluctuating because of the marbles in her pockets. How many tickets does Norma have? What is it? Those are hieroglyphs. What's the number here?
This is 82.
That's correct.
Wow.
So it's 2-1?
It's
Yeah, I got
3-2
one.
because we tied for the plane.
Oh, yes, that's what it is.
3-2.
3-2 because you tied on the first one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
3-2. The score is now 3-2. Todd went to the store 4 times last month. He buys 3 crayons and 12 erasers each time he goes to the store. How many crayons did Todd buy last month?
3.
No. I'll repeat the question. Todd went to the store 4 times last month. He buys 3 crayons and 12 erasers each time he goes to the store. How many crayons did Todd buy last month? Yes.
3 crayons. Damn it! I was doing addition. Now I realize that was a trick question.
They're all tricky.
Okay, next question.
It took Janice 1 hour and 15 minutes to run to Kevin's house at 12 miles per hour.
Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me with these MPHs.
How far is it between Janice's house and Kevin's house?
5!
Neither of you are right.
Oh. 5 miles?
No.
Wait, what's the question? Like the last sentence.
How far is it between Janice and Kevin's house?
I'm
telling you
the
the-
number is 13.
That's still
The
incorrect.
answer is 5 miles per hour.
That's not it's
5 miles?
per hour. Still wrong.
6? Is it
It's not per hour, it's distance. So,
is it 6 miles?
no. Okay, one more time. So she's running at 12 miles per hour.
Okay.
It takes her an hour and 15 minutes to get to
Okay.
where she's going.
Okay.
So
How
it's
far
at
did she
least
run?
12
So it's
miles.
at least 12
How
miles.
would it be at least 12 miles?
Because she runs for an hour and 15 minutes at 12 miles per hour.
she's running 14 miles?
How is it not any of these numbers?
I'm doing
So-
long division.
You shouldn't
12
be.
into 75.
Why? Where'd you get 75?
Because an hour would be 60 minutes plus
No, you
15
can't 75
minutes.
it. You
You're-
can't 75 it here.
you're
You gotta
changing the
use
units.
the
You gotta say the
mile
same
per
units.
hour.
I don't want to use those.
Oh, wait.
I mean, you went from 9 to 15 and you said about every number. You're correct.
I did the-
15.
I did-
Which is your
division.
answer, though?
I don't think I'm going to give it to you.
Hey, you can't just write every single number on the board and then
No,
call it
I
good.
was
You got
clearly
5
right.
good.
I was
Okay.
clearly all in the right area. With
Yeah,
all
so
of
was
them.
I.
Not 9.5.
I wasn't dividing anything.
That's
by
true. It's true, but not
75.
9.5 threw you off. But you did get there eventually, so we'll give it to you.
Last time with miles per hour, we divided. So this time, miles per hour,
It wasn't-
I also divided.
but it wasn't the
And
answer.
now you're telling me.
And you didn't,
That's a
you
divide.
didn't give me any hints.
I did,
was
I
the
did.
one
You
that
got there.
said an hour is at least 12 miles per hour. And then if you take the 15, that's 1/4 of 12.
No one said anything
Yes.
about fractions.
Which is 3 extra miles.
She's just explaining her work, and that's why I'm going to give her the point. 5 to 2. The final answer wasn't in miles per hour; it was distance.
You said distance. That could be anything. That could be miles.
That was the unit, miles. Yeah.
But I did it in miles. 6
Per-
miles.
So she ran 12 miles per hour for an
That's
hour
just
and
the
15 minutes.
speed.
Yes, at the speed. So in an hour, she would go 12 miles. She ran an hour and 15 minutes at 12 miles per hour.
That wasn't explained in the question. I feel like you were trying to trick me again.
Sorry, let's go to middle school because honestly, that was elementary school.
I want to point out, we're not using our phone calculators here.
That's
We're
true.
using our minds.
You know how long it takes me to add and subtract in my mind?
I know. 7 plus 5? That's hard.
13.
All right, here we go.
See?
That's why you gotta have a friend to check your math.
A telephone company charges initially 50 cents
Gotta be kidding me with the cents. No.
and then 11 cents for every minute. Write an expression that gives the cost of a call that lasts n minutes.
Wait, what? N minutes?
N minutes, so equals n. So I'll give you that. It's n equals, and here are the variables.
N equals. Crazy, man.
What's the number of minutes?
Eventually, yeah.
Like startup costs?
Yes. Startup cost is 50 cents.
Startup, okay.
And then 11 cents for every minute.
Okay, every minute.
If you were to try to calculate if it was like a 3-minute call, instead of putting the 3 in the equation that you write, you just put n.
N equals is supposed to be my answer, correct?
I don't think that it has to be n equals necessarily. No, it's not n equals. It would be like part of the equation equals this. Alina, you are... I'm going to give that to you because you're right, because I said n equals at the start and you put the variable in the right spot. That is correct, yes.
Basically gave her half the answer, Alex.
I gave you half the answer to
You were
Sarah.
here.
Yeah, but you were talking to Alina.
To be fair, I was looking directly at you.
You know I don't pay attention when you look straight.
We're just going to do numbers from now on.
Not my strong suit.
Okay, perfect. Obviously it's mine.
I mean, honestly, it is because you're kicking an ass.
Can we do celebrity trivia after this?
A car travels at a speed of 65 miles per hour. How far will it travel in 5 hours?
5 hours? Uh-oh, she's already got me. Oh, man.
325 miles.
I should just keep going with my
That
math.
is correct.
You kept me on the edge of my seat. This is a rare sight, doing math this way.
I miss things I know.
Do you know how to do math that way?
No, I don't know how to do math anyway.
Oh, you're feeling ready for high school?
No!
Oh, yeah.
No.
Yeah. I thrived in high school. Give me some geometry while you're at it.
Geometry?
You want geometry?
Algebra. Algebra was my least subject. Oh, statistics. Give me a statistics question. If
I
there's
will
one
not even
ready.
understand the words in that question.
I love statistics. Probability. All
Oh, you over
over.
here, you can't subtract, but you got statistics? It's totally fine.
Yeah. I left the easy stuff and moved on to professor status.
We're in grade 9, which some people think is middle
Don't tell
school.
everyone what grade we're in, Alex, okay? Let it be a f***ing mystery. Maybe we're in 12th grade. Maybe we're in college. Maybe we're in middle school.
We're freshmen in high
Put
school.
really big on the screen right here.
Yeah, freshman in high
Ninth
school.
grade.
Which number
1.
or numbers are equal
Oh,
to
God.
their square?
What does that question even mean? Say it in layman's terms.
Which number
4.
or numbers?
16.
Alina drew a square.
I'm just trying to get a visual going.
That's good. Yeah.
Which
So,
numbers are
I'm gonna-
equal to their square?
So, so the question is which number or numbers is or are equal to their square?
You're just saying like
I'm gonna
sentence
repeat it
structure.
a different way.
like they're squared.
Yes.
Yes. So which numbers, when squared, are equal to themselves? So when a number is squared,
It's timesed.
0 and 1.
boom! Alina's got it.
Couldn't have explained that any worse, Alex. That was on you.
You know what it was?
I would have got there.
You should have drawn the square.
I know.
Yeah.
You should have drawn the square. The square.
Helped you find.
But
Yes.
so do you understand how the question worked there? When,
No.
When you square both of those, when you square
Let's not
zero,
even get into square
you
roots.
still get to
When you square 0, you still get 0. When you square 1, you still get 1.
Yes.
Yeah. But if you square 2,
you get 4.
yeah.
At least I know my squares.
And what about 4?
16.
Smarty pants.
I can't subtract, but I can times. Give me a times table, Alex.
A submarine travels 45 miles east
You got to be kidding me.
and then travels 60 miles north. So 45 miles east and then 60 miles north.
Lena does not know direction, so I got this one.
I got a compass.
She got a
That-
compass.
Don't cheat. I have a compass.
How far is it from where it started? That would be the correct answer if I asked, how far did it travel? I said, how far is it from its original starting point? No, it's neither of those numbers, Sarah. It's not 45 or 60.
Is this a triangle situation?
It is a triangle situation.
I knew it.
So it goes 45 miles east, 60 miles north. How far is it from there? Yep.
I
Boom.
know my triangles.
Boom! That is you're on the right track. So you got 45 and 60. So what is the
Is
hypotenuse?
this obtuse or what?
It's a triangle. It could be obtuse. It could be not.
Oh. Is it 90?
No.
Isn't it always 90?
90 is the right angle that you're thinking of. It's the degrees of the angle of a right triangle,
Let's see. Well, we got a 6.
which is what the triangle looks like here. It's a right triangle. It's east and then north. So it's a right triangle, and And the hypotenuse is the answer you're looking for.
90.
Hypotenuse.
Again, you just said 90 and I said it was wrong.
Now I seem to get the triangle correct. It's that half point.
I'm doing
Yes.
a graph, okay? So he's here, and now he's here.
No, that's
He
south.
went north, not south.
So you even used your compass.
That's wrong.
And you were wrong.
Same concept, right? This
So
is
you're
not
looking for the
north.
hypotenuse, Sarah. So you're looking for you've got the equation there, right? So it's 45
Now what if
and
I
60.
pretended it was like this? Okay. Now let me.
Why would you do that though? Why would you do that?
I'm just trying to.
But look what I pretended here. I made a triangle out of my graph.
But the triangle is just in the wrong direction.
Maybe if I times it.
60.
So do you want me to give you the equation
Yeah.
to use? So it's the Pythagorean theorem.
Okay. Now
I
you just
knew it was a Pythagorean.
you confused me more, but tell me the theorem.
A
Well,
squ-
it's one triangle.
Equals two triangles. Okay. Tell me more about the theorem.
you want the equation?
Yeah.
No, tell us about the theory.
Tell me the equation.
Pythagoras explored it in ancient Rome, I think.
They were doing so much weird
No,
shit
what
at the
is it?
time.
Okay, so you want the theory.
Yeah.
A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
Okay, so there's a lot of square roots here. So
So this is C.
Yes, the hypotenuse is C, and you have A and B. A squared. So Sarah, what's A?
45.
Yes, squared plus what's B?
Well, I can't square it. I'm gonna have to 45 times 45.
Yeah.
That is a lot of math for me. That
210?
Are you asking what 45 times 45 is?
No, wait, shh. I'm doing this in my
No,
head.
no, no. The answer.
No. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So
Yeah.
you might be getting C squared there.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to figure out.
You're trying to find C,
Yeah.
Wait.
not C squared.
210.
Are you saying 210 is a square root
Wait.
of 420? Because it's not. That's half of 420. So that's not the square root of
Wait.
420.
Yeah, 90 plus 120.
Where are you getting 90 and 120?
45 squared.
That's 45
That's not.
plus 45.
That's 45 plus 45.
Which is kind of squared.
Nope. It's not kinda. It's just not it.
It's 180, huh?
No. 45 times 45.
What's 45?
Wait, shh.
Oh,
4 times
45
5.
times 45.
Right now I can't read my own writing.
Sarah, I can confirm you are on the right track with the squaring.
Yes, I'm looking at my
1185.
What are you telling me there?
C.
Squared.
C without squared.
So if she traveled 45 miles and then 60, how would she be 1185 miles away?
625 squared.
So you guys both did A squared plus B squared, right?
Equals
C squared.
So it's 565.
You have to do a square root of whatever the final addition answer
To do a
is.
square root?
Yeah, you have to find what times what equals that.
I have no idea.
What does multiplying get you?
Hold on. Can I get my calculator out? Can I get my calculator out?
No,
Really quick.
no.
What did you get for C squared? What did you both get for C squared?
5,625.
Alina, what did you get?
1185.
I will give you the answer for C squared.
Okay.
Sarah, you're right.
Yes!
5625. Asking you to square root that would be tough.
I can't. I've tried to square root it.
Okay.
I can't get there.
The square root of 5625 is 75.
Yes!
So Sarah, we'll give her that one because she was right with the C squared. Asking you guys to square root on the fly is unreasonable.
Yeah, you were way closer than me. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I don't think anyone needs to see.
I got literally so close.
I don't
just
even
could
know
not do that
you-
final equation.
Yeah.
I don't know how you did all of that without a compass on your page.
I mean, I think you're probably on the right track. Also, you might have just squared wrong one of the questions.
Listen, that's a part that's really hard.
Because wait,
that's a part that's really
Alina,
hard.
You,
You were
you
close.
said what? 1150 or 1250?
11.
She was like 1165,
You might have just gone a little bit too far
You were
on the
close.
doubles.
but not close enough.
That was crazy. I don't even know what you did. I still don't even understand the question.
Listen, I feel good about this.
yeah, that's
You
great.
know?
So
Okay, that was
3 to what?
condescending.
Oh no, it wasn't.
It was.
I was being genuine. I've been so nice this whole time. I've been so supportive.
Listen, you're only being
She
supportive
has
because you're
been.
kicking my ass.
No.
If I was kicking
No, I'm
your
learning to not
ass.
be a sore loser.
Oh, okay.
I've grown as a person.
Oh, okay.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
We went up to grade 10.
Oh, because we did so well grade 9.
Yes.
Good.
A real estate agent receives a 6% commission.
Percentages? Alex!
Alina, can you show the class what you just wrote down from what I wrote?
I just feel like you need a visual, so I drew a house.
His commission, or hers, was $8,880.
Wait, $8,880? Oh my god.
What was the selling price of the house?
Can we do this with a calculator?
I feel like we should give you guys calculators.
No, that defeats the whole purpose.
Okay.
That just is how fast can you put numbers in.
I mean, you also have to get the equation right,
I
which
get
you guys
the equation.
have not done.
I know the equation.
Well, I know how to get there.
That's okay. Let's see the equations.
I'll show you what the fucking equation is. That's the equation.
8,880 times 0.06.
Could be something in the kind of wheelhouse. You know what I mean? Like, there's multiplication.
Those numbers are involved.
Yeah. And like, it's 6%. So like,
0.06 is correct. That's how you would get.
You just moved 2 decimals.
that was difficult. You're just putting numbers out there. You're just
I'm guessing what's there. Yeah, I'm trying to get a range here.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not doing the math. I don't know how to do the math.
Neither
in
do I.
shorthand, okay? But don't copy off me anymore.
So the selling price is what we're looking for, right? It's a big number.
It's a big number.
This guy sold the house for blank amount, and he got $8,880 for selling it, which was 0.06 of the original price. So 0.06.
So maybe you times it by 6?
I don't do times.
Because like the only things I know how to do are times and divide. And plus and minus. But
which is all the things you need to do math.
no, sometimes there's quite a few different options. Obviously, triangles come into play.
They do.
And
sometimes
north, south, east, west.
Not in this number.
What's Lena up to? She's checking on a wrong ass. Is this a times equation?
I can give you guys the equation if you want.
No.
Whisper it to me.
Are you serious?
I'm
No,
not
he's
doing
not doing
anything.
anything.
I'm literally not saying anything. X
Okay.
times 0.06
Oh.
equals 8,880. What?
I just said, what are you saying?
What
you
did
said
I
nothing.
say?
And then you've been whispering.
I didn't know. What
He
you
didn't
said.
whisper anything. He gave me something that I'm not sure what to do with now. Because now it's written in the same way but differently.
Is it 166,000?
No, but you're close, Lena.
So she's just timesing.
So I'm going to give you guys both the equation here, okay?
Okay.
8,880 equals 0.06 times X.
Okay.
X is the selling price of the house.
We know that.
Hey, man, I'm just trying to help.
The question is, how do we get to X?
It's like,
You know what I mean?
There's an unknown number and it's represented by X, and that's what you're trying to figure
So
out.
write what I'm saying down.
I did. I wrote it.
What'd you write?
X times 0.06 equals 8,880.
Do you remember what you would do when you look for variables?
Divide.
You
Move them over.
move them over. Boom. Yes, you move them over.
Do we have to move the decimal point over?
So you're moving
So you times
0.6.
0.6 times 8880, which I did, and I got 166,040.
Well, I could do that if I had a calculator. It's just the writing it out for me.
So, Lena, you said you did 8,880 divided by 0.06?
Times.
So you did 8,880 times 0.6?
Yeah.
0.06?
0.6.
Why 0.6?
06.
Or just did 6 because I don't know.
Well, you
what's
got
going
to you
on
got to
right
make
now.
sure it's 06,
So
right?
8,880 times 6 you did? It's also 52,800. That's not the right answer either.
So what is the right answer?
So we're moving it over, right? We move over 0.6 to the 8,880 side.
How do we move
Another
it?
question.
Is there any questions that would be in my wheelhouse? And that would be anything besides math. Do you have a history question?
Involve math that we have to.
Yeah. Is there like a question like
the words.
yeah. I don't know, like something that you would find.
So what you should have done here?
We don't
No,
care.
I'm gonna explain.
We don't care.
You had the equation, right? To move 0.06 over, you should have divided, not multiplied.
That was my next guess.
So you should have divided 8,800. Yeah, right, dude.
I knew I had to either times or divide, and I was gonna try
Or
both
add or
options on my
subtract.
calculator.
And neither add or subtract.
I was
Can we
going
just
to
get
do
the
that.
next question?
The answer would have been 8,880 divided by 0.06, which equals 148,000.
I kind of was close.
I was
No,
way
Alina
closer.
was way closer than you were. I don't even
But-
think you ever said an answer.
But you got the Pythagorean theorem one. So.
Exactly.
That was impressive.
Let's go to the next question.
Okay.
I'm on the edge of my seat.
We're going to move back down to middle school.
Please.
God.
And again, we don't have to tell anyone.
We have to.
Okay, let's
We're in 6th grade.
go. I like 6th grade.
I had a really cute eyeshadow in 6th grade, and it was pink, and I wore it every day.
That must have looked awful.
It did.
So Sarah, wearing her pink eyeshadow,
Okay.
had a lunch that cost $50.
Wow, I'm a bougie ass bitch.
How much?
And
$50.
she made a lunch bag.
She needs visual references.
I appreciate the visuals.
Yeah.
$50.50 for this lunch.
I'm so rich.
Wow, why an odd number like
Yeah,
that?
I mean, for you guys, it was probably, like 25 cents for lunch? She gave a 20% tip.
Wow, I'm generous. Sorry, I'm listening to my shit.
How much did Sarah spend?
You know what? I have an app for this.
Do you really?
Yeah.
What's it called, like Tipper?
Yeah.
Is it called Tipper?
No, it's just like
75.
calculate. How did you get all that so quick?
60-75? No. You are very close, Elena. You're very close.
60, 76.
No.
77.
No.
80.
I'm not giving any of you answers unless you start doing some math, Sarah.
Okay, well, let's see what she did. I'm not sure what she did there.
So-
60-60.
Boom. 60-60. Do you want to explain your work for the class, Elena?
Yes, so
Ah!
I don't know how to do math on paper, so I just do it in my head. It's just all for show, but 20% of a tip of $100 is $20. This is 50, so I half it, so $10. And then 20% tip on 50 cents. A tip on $1 is 20 cents.
So she's just
I half
halving it.
that.
She's not even doing the
That's
real
10
math.
cents. No, but that's how a
got
lot
it.
of people do math.
I got her there. Yeah.
That's how people do
Damn it.
math in their head. So 10-10 plus 50-50 is 60-60.
Damn, Elena, you're so smart.
This is how my parents did math.
I was never taught math in school.
Clearly.
Okay, let's
So
go.
do we want to do a tiebreaker, or would this be a history question?
What is going on with the Kardashians?
You know what? That's one of the things I don't know right now.
Okay.
Tried to give you a
No
softball.
points.
I know. I would
right.
usually know what's up with
Just
the
go
Kardashians.
like 2 questions that
Two
are
more-
really easy.
Yeah, 'cause we're at
2
52
more
right now.
questions? Oh my god.
All right, should we move down to elementary school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go backwards.
I'm gonna get this one. I know it. This is right in my wheelhouse.
Patricia collects 50 candies. Patricia's father gives Patricia 9 more candies.
Yeah.
Gary has 4 crayons. Gary's father has 3,752 crayons.
That's a lot of crayons.
And he has gout. How many candies does Patricia have?
59.
Kate, if whoever I say got that first,
I
you're gonna yell
got
at me. Who got it, Kate?
Sarah said it louder.
Yeah,
And
that
that's-
doesn't count. Being the loudest in the room doesn't count.
I think I heard Elena slip it in under.
We both get a point.
Fair. Both get a point.
I just want to write another point on my board. Okay, give me another one, Alex. That's right in my wheelhouse.
That's right in my wheelhouse. 50 plus 9.
Yeah.
Easy, got it.
Carol has 4 Skittles. Jeremy has 17 M&Ms.
Okay.
Jeremy loses 5 of his M&Ms. Jeremy finds another 4 Skittles. How many Skittles do both Jeremy and Carol
4.
have at the end?
4 Skittles each.
Each.
What-
Neither of them are right.
Wait, what was the question?
Yeah,
though?
what was the question?
Carol has 4.
No, we know those things, but what was your actual question in the end?
How many Skittles do they have at the end?
4.
No. Combined together.
8.
No. Why did you? Where are you getting 8?
She had M&Ms,
4.
you dumb hoe.
No.
This
She had
person,
Skittles.
this person had M&Ms. This person had Skittles. This person got Skittles. They picked up off the floor.
Carol has 4 Skittles.
Yeah.
Jeremy, I'm so sorry. I misread the question. I'm so sorry.
Okay, Alex, get out. Oh my god. We did that right, Elena. We did that so
We did.
fast. 12. Okay, so
Carol has 4 Skittles. I'm going to simplify it. Carol has 4 Skittles. Jeremy finds 17 Skittles.
You said M&M's.
you said
I know
get
because
your
I
candy
wrote it out.
correct.
I wrote it out.
I know I did.
Why are you just making shit up? Are these even real questions?
This one I was making it up, yeah. Let's start from the top. Carol has 4 Skittles.
Okay.
Jeremy has 17 M&Ms.
Okay.
Oh, that's what Skittles or M&M's?
M&Ms. Jeremy finds 17 Skittles.
Wait. What? Jeremy has 17 M&Ms and now I have 17 Skittles? This guy's rich.
How many Skittles do they have together?
21.
I was right there on my fingers. This is killing me.
Well,
How am I supposed to teach my child anything? This is bringing up so
she'll
much
have
pain.
a calculator.
I will have a calculator and I'll tell her that I don't, so I'll fool her.
Well,
Mwahaha.
this was riveting. And we don't even need to keep score.
Why is that?
because we know who won.
No, because it's all like
this is not all fun and games. This
it's
is
all
war.
fun. Okay.
And I'm gonna get you next time.
You're gonna study
Before it's the
math?
last thing I do. No, I'm not gonna study math, but we're gonna do another
What's your strongest math suit?
addition.
Oh, we clearly saw none of them.
I
were
think
strong.
it's
Geometry?
with triangles.
Yeah. I think that's geometry.
Yeah. The fact that you even did a triangle, I was just on my compass in the wrong direction.
Listen, you did go the wrong direction. That was,
Yeah.
I think, the initial problem.
Yeah.
But, you know,
Yep.
we'll do another subject, and I will.
What do you want to do next?
History.
Ooh.
Okay. Ancient
Rome.
Let's do it, but it's all just what year did this occur?
Don't you hear me, because I could be anywhere in that timeline. That'll be difficult.
Listen, thank you for joining us. We haven't been in school in a long time, and we use our calculators often. And you know what? You try to do these.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think it's a little harder than it looks. And well, it didn't look. It's
seemed like
not
we were having
easy.
a hard time.
And if you like what we did here, we are just like this without the math on our podcast.
God.
And we have a Patreon where we do an extra bonus segment of our podcast. Where can you find it?
Patreon.com/AWSF pod.
Yes.
And you don't have to go to
We'll
.com.
be there. We will be there every week. Thanks for joining us. Bye.